Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you what I believe to be the easiest plane drone to fly. And it comes with this funny looking remote right here. And all you got to do is remember to put it in this kind of mode over here. But first I have to turn it on and put it in this mode. It pairs up and I will show you how it flies. You will notice that the only problem that it has is it does not handle the wind very well. Aside from that, it is extremely stable. Unfortunately today, as we are experiencing a little bit of wind, it struggles, as you can see they're struggling to go anywhere. Let's see, if I put it into drone mode, if it does anything better. It does actually, but then I'm still not able to do a whole lot with it. It's being carried away by the wind again. It will not come to me. Come to me! No, it's just getting carried away by the wind.